Many people go wrong in the spiritual pathway because they try to finish it as soon as possible. According to my experience, the ones who tried to finish it in haste got lost fast. They couldn't accomplish it. Why is that? Because they rushed to seek the end of a task which should be practiced slowly as possible. Of course, there are things in life which should be done in a hurry. When a person is catching a train at the last moment, if he doesn't get quick enough, he will surely miss the train. In the same way, if someone is suddenly fainted, remedies must be given as soon as possible. But some things in life need more time. This spiritual path is like that. No one can do this in a hurry. The one who is in a hurry is the one who gives up soon. After listening to these words, a person gets matured only through the activities. Why we engage in daily activities, the words we have listened come into the action gradually. That understanding gained through the activities drives you toward perfections. Those who tried to be enlightened soon became mundane soon. The path I preach isn't drawing you to another model. It removes self-identity or ego. Removal of identity is the emancipation or enlightenment. I guide you for that. When the identity is removed, the person doesn't exist anymore. He becomes faceless. In other words, a person who doesn't exist anymore has attained enlightenment. That pathway should be preached gradually, definitely. The person who needs the enlightenment past will be lost. Only the deserved people reach it with the desired patience. Others do fail. If we are here with the intent to follow the path, the nature must provide us three things throughout the journey. Those are food, cloth and lifespan. Lacking any of these means we are not from the deserved category. Deserved ones know that they won't die until they finish this path. They won't die until they fulfill this. They will never be short of the basic needs like clothes, food, etc. That's the way of nature. The deserved ones find it familiar as they have practiced the path in samsara. In many lives before, they have come seeking only the last few words. So there is no point of rushing. Instead, they need to be flawless. That means day by day you should be able to analyze your progress. If not, you are a loser in life. By experience, I know that who are in hurry fail to understand even a single word. They end up in confusion. They get shocked as they caught up in an electric current. So there's no need to be panic in spiritual life because everything happens to a plan. There's nothing new. Say, for an example, if you know that a bus departs sharp at 4:45 p.m. Are we supposed to be there around 2 a.m. in midnight? No. It's quite sufficient to reach there around 4:44 p.m. Likewise, the enlightenment or the immortality is a plan. No one can interfere. We have to admit it, knowing it. We should not rush at any time. You must know your weak points. The one without a moderate thinking always goes wrong. So, you must be moderate always. What does it mean by a moderate mind? You should see your own weakness openly and impartially, not the weakness of others, but yours. Our fault must be seen by us or should admit if somebody point them out. You are in a hurry means your ego is in lead and ultimately you are left with your ego and not with enlightenment. The identity of the owner or the person who practiced the path should be disappeared at the end. In other words, his identity is vanished at the end. That is indeed the enlightenment.